Your Excellency, as you are aware, our youth are the greatest asset to our nation. And that is a reality. What you are doing, Your Excellency, is God-sent. We have not seen this before. We are witnessing what you are doing. And I know the people of Kenya are watching. We have nothing to reward you other than to ask the Almighty God to bless you abundantly with your family. The school team talk about issues that are affecting the school. But I want to tell my very good friend, Mwalimu Fred, you have not sent me or the CDF a request. We have money. I have money. Aba munaniona namna hii mimi sina pesa. I have money. We have 180 million, 184 million. Niko naye. Amujaandika munieleze munataka namna gani hii shule. Munataka nini? Scania. Bas, sasa mumesema nimesikia. I saw the young man that needs a limb. I want to promise you, and I want to promise these young future leaders that I am going to sort it out. Nataka pia niombe, kuna kijana moja ambaye alikukaribisha tukiwa tukiingia. One of the students who comes, I think from Mwalimu, he comes from Nyaribari Chache, my constituency. It is going to be a shame nikiwachia mugeni mama boys kubeba mzigo yangu, nitaaibika. Kwa hivyo huyo kijana nataka kutangaza hapa, mimi Zaheer Jhanda nitasomesha huyo mtoto kutoka form 1 mpaka form 4. Na nyinyi ambao mmekuwa mkichanga pesa kwa sababu mmefanya kazi mzuri, mimi na Mheshimiwa Donya tutawapatia pesa, tutapeana pesa kwa shule ya mkate siku ya leo. My brother talking about a swimming pool. It is true, this is a big institution and these boys, they want that. I do not want to make a commitment, but I want to give my word that we will do all within our powers and within my powers. I will look for resources and we are going to construct this year a swimming pool for these boys. To all the first ladies wa county governments in Kenya, tafadhali na nyinyi pia mtoke kwa maofisi na maboma muanze kufanya kazi mama wetu, mama boys ambaye anafanya.